गुड आफ्टरनून एंड टुडे इज़ आज क्या डेट है 13th ऑफ मई एंड अभी टाइम हो रहा है 3:26 और हम लोग बेसिकली आए हैं BMW शोरूम गुवाहाटी में। अभी रिसेंटली खुला है गुवाहाटी में BMW और हम लोग आए हैं चेकआउट करने के लिए। सो विश्वजीत ऑलरेडी बैठा हुआ है बाइक में, द BMW F450 GS। सो GS F450 सो अभी लॉन्च हुआ है इंडिया में बाइक और क्या खूबसूरत लग रहा है। सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ द टॉप मॉडल, द ट्रॉफी एडिशन ऑफ द F450 GS। अभी टेस्ट राइड अवेलेबल नहीं है बिकॉज जो इनका टेस्ट राइड वाला बाइक है उसका अभी इंश्योरेंस नहीं हुआ है। सो अभी हम लोग जस्ट शोरूम में बाइक देख रहे हैं, बैठ के देख रहे हैं। सो ये जो ट्रॉफी एडिशन है इसमें जो बेसिकली फीचर्स है उसमें जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट और यूनिक फीचर इजी को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देता हूँ।
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Rohit. I'm working as a BMW consultant here. The best feature in this is
ERC, the Easy Ride Clutch,
Easy Ride Clutch,
which
right?
allows you to shift through the gears without having to use the clutch.
Okay. So basically ERC क्या होता है? Basically when you start the bike, it's not it's very much different than the slipper clutch. Slipper clutch आजकल बहुत सारे कंपनीज के बाइक्स में ऑलरेडी आ रही है, KTM में भी आ रही है। तो अभी हम लोग आपको दिखा देते हैं व्हाट इज ERC, Easy Ride Clutch. So now the bike is start. स्टैंड तो उठा लो, साइड स्टैंड उठाना पड़ेगा। सो अभी बाइक को हम लोग गियर में एंगेज करते हैं। हाँ, तो अभी न्यूट्रल में है, 1 मिनट। सो नाउ द बाइक इज़ इन फर्स्ट गियर बट क्लच छोड़ा हुआ है बट आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है बाइक। सो द बाइक विल मूव फॉरवर्ड व्हेन इट्स अबव 2500 RPM, राइट? 2700 RPM. So this is the Easy Ride Clutch. And in fact just shift the gear to second without pressing the clutch। ऊपर है सेकंड गियर, तो ये न्यूट्रल हो गया। हाँ, तो अभी सेकंड गियर में है, क्लच बिल्कुल छोड़ा हुआ है, बाइक स्टार्ट है बट बाइक आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है। सो 2700 RPM के ऊपर जब जाएगा तो तब बाइक जो है वो आगे बढ़ेगा। सो दिस इज़ अ यूनिक फीचर विच इज़ अवेलेबल ओनली इन द ट्रॉफी एडिशन ऑफ दिस मॉडल। जो नीचे वाला मॉडल है, 3 मॉडल है, उसमें वो फीचर नहीं है, राइट? तो और कुछ यूनिक फीचर्स जो ट्रॉफी मॉडल में है।
First is the paint job.
पेन जॉब, सो द BMW सिग्नेचर कलर वाइट एंड ब्लू, राइट?
And then this is the adjustable suspension that you get only in the top variant.
राइट। सो व्हाट इज द सस्पेंशन ट्रेवल?
180 mm.
180 mm, okay. And even the rear suspension is adjustable?
Same,
Same. 180. But is it adjustable?
Not adjustable, but has an actual damping है यहाँ पे.
Okay.
When it feels there is more weight on the rear,
Okay.
so then it will adjust automatically.
Automatic. So the front suspension is adjustable as per the how many clip? Mechanically it can be adjusted. So you can make it stiffer and you can make it soft?
Yes.
Okay.
And then the foot pegs are different from the base variant.
Okay. Foot
Base
pegs are
variant has
different.
normal
Okay.
foot pegs.
Okay.
You get these foot pegs from the exclusive onwards.
Okay.
From the base variant onwards.
Okay. Okay. And are the rubber foot marks also available on this foot pegs?
That comes in the base variant.
Okay, that comes in. So this one comes with only the metal foot pegs. Exclusive. Okay.
So you also get the aluminum backnet, which is for the trophy variant.
Okay. Okay.
For the exclusive, it's plastic, and for
Okay.
the base variant, you don't have anything.
And one more thing, the good part about this bash plate is it's covering almost the entire motor, entire engine, right? So that's a good part, and it's an aluminium part.
Aluminum, yes, sir. So
Okay.
it's very lightweight.
Very lightweight. Lightweight plus sturdy also.
Yes, exactly.
Right.
Aluminum is quite stronger than steel.
And also you are telling me that this is basically
An accessory.
an accessory.
Bigger,
This
extended.
extended and this is a wider. So the actual one is a bit small and it's smoked out.
Yeah,
Smoked out.
yes, sir.
Smoked out. Right. And other than that, so the Easy Ride Clutch is one of the main feature in the trophy variant. So then you get the aluminium bash plate, and also this knuckle guards.
And knuckle guards are white.
Knuckle guards are plastic, but they are good looking and they are sturdy also. Quite heavy knuckle guards. So these are the main differences between with this and the base variant. Okay, so the radiator, is there a radiator grill available as an accessory part? As an accessories. Okay. So the trophy variant X showroom in Guwahati is 5,30,000 and in on-road
On road would be somewhere around 6,46,000.
6,46,000, that will be Guwahati number, right? Guwahati number 6,43,000, right? 6,46,000. And other than that, I think you have to, if you want to go for the rare luggage carrier, luggage mount, so that is also an accessory part. Okay. And the tire size, front one is 19 and the rear is 17, right? Right. And this is a 450cc engine with 40.
8 bhp and 43 newton meter torque.
Okay, 48 bhp and 43
Yeah.
newton meter torque. Okay, okay. So very nice. And the middle variant will is at a priced gap of around 40,000, I believe. 40,000.
That'll cost you 4,90,000 showroom price.
4,90,000 is the showroom price, so that will come to around
Just below 6 lakhs.
just below 6 lakhs. Okay. But at the base variant, this base plate is not available. Then the knuckle guards not available.
Windshield
Easy ride
also
clutch is not available.
Windshield.
Windshield is also not available. It's a very small
Very
windshield
small,
comes.
just- And then you don't get the Enduro Pro mode.
Enduro Pro
Base
mode. Okay. So how many riding modes in
There are
this?
four.
Four.
Road, Enduro and Enduro Pro.
Okay, 4 riding modes.
Yeah.
Okay. And also in the middle variant, the bash plate.
That plate is plastic.
Bash plate is plastic fiber. Okay, nice. So I believe bike is ready with insurance. So I believe he's telling us it will be ready by next week. So then we'll come here for a test ride experience. And overall, I would say that it's a very good bike. Thank you for all the information, and thank you so much for interacting with us since last almost 1 hour and giving all the information so nicely. Thank you so much. So थैंक यू. सो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो को भी यहीं पे एंड करते हैं. सो F450 GS BMW, इसी को चेकआउट करने आए थे हम लोग. सो नाइस बाइक एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन इन दी already 300 to 400 cc bike segment, and this will give a tough competition, I think, to KTM, Royal Enfield and everybody. So anyone who is looking for quality and CBU twin cylinder bike, so I think this is a very good option to save it. And the service duration he was telling me is the first service is around at 1000 kilometers, and उसके बाद जो service duration है वो around 10,000 kilometers में है, and service cost will be below 10,000 rupees for this bike. But BMW do not give any free service with the bike. So I think this is the same case with Kawasaki as well. So ठीक है, फिर इसी के साथ हम लोग निकलते हैं अभी. सो नाइस बाइक, काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. और बाकी भी बाइक्स वगैरह आप लोग यहाँ देख रहे थे कि ये 1300 GS 1300 खड़ी है. सो यहाँ पे S1000 RR खड़ी है. वहाँ उस तरफ BMW के गाड़ियों का सेक्शन है, तो यहाँ पे ये BMW का स्कूटी भी खड़ी है. सो इस वीडियो को यहीं पे एंड करते हैं. अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा और लाइक एंड शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.